Dave Snyder here. It is February the 21st, 2013. Okay, so I've been working on this weather pattern here. I don't know, not really concentrating on working on it. Just, I don't know, I'm on my other installation of Google Earth today. That's why you see all the red X's. It's just my older version, but I got a lot of stuff in this one. And I brought it all over to the other installation. But anyways, this is over North America right now, right here. Here, let me just turn the weather off and just go through this real quick. Okay. So I just threw this down just a minute ago. I haven't even really looked at it. I haven't even looked at it over the land at all. This is the first time I've looked at it over the land here. And I figured you should check that out. Could be a few things a little bit off, like this right here. This curve, I'm sure that curve probably goes up here with this curve. Hard to get those edges aligned sometimes. Oh, there. Wait a minute. Nope. There's one right there too. See that one? See the curve? Right in place. Oh wow. And you see this line come through? Right in place. Wow, I've never seen that one before. That's pretty great. Look at that. That's very nice. They try to confuse you with all these other lines, but you can see that that's there. Let me turn the borders on. It might help a little bit. Oh yeah, you can see now. You can clearly see the lines and the curves. Okay, so let's just look at this real quick over the rest of North America. Oh wow, you can see that line going right up through the center there. That big old peak right there probably created the super volcano that would be right there. I don't know, we'll just look at it with the weather. I just basically want to show the weather first before it goes away. That's what I got to do. Okay, these X's are impacts probably. Ones I was working on a while back. Okay, so weather. This weather right here is I can see that it went right along here somewhere. Take a look. Hope you have a big screen. It takes a big screen sometimes to see this. I mean, I can see that it had this width to it right here. That you see right here in this area here. It's pretty well defined on the edges there. So basically, what I saw was this like triangular shape. I don't know if you'll see it or not, but it's right here, this triangular shape with something in the center. Okay, I saw that shape, and I got this up there, and I could see the same thing in the weather, just a little bit right here, right there. See that triangular shape right there, with the clearing in the center? I basically figured that was the same thing, and you can see that it is. Absolutely is. This is where see that area right there where it's all pink? Look at that spot right there. It's the highest point in that area, it looks like. Yep. Fits there very, very, very good. And then you got this line that shoots out in the weather. It's the cloud. Okay, that's in pretty much a straight line. And you can see there's a line right there. Okay, so I just want to point that out real quick. And you can see how this rest of this fits in there too, the weather here. And over here, you can come over here and see the same thing. Weather fitting beautifully here. We'll just start down here where this curve is. See the curve? Right here, watch. Look at that, just fit right along that curve. So nice. See, I lined up this. This is all I lined up. Everything else just fell in place. When I got that lined up, everything else just fit. That's the way it works. And then you come up here, you can't really see that oval shape really good, but they really hardly ever let you see that one, even when it's there. But you can see something there. Fits around there a little bit. Come up here, you can see all of this zigzag stuff like this. Hold on a second, clear up a little bit. I guess it won't. Right here, look at that. Look at that. All this here, and this round. See this crater right under here? This one right here. See these two craters like right here next to each other. You can see that right here in the weather. You can see this one right here in the weather. Right there, it's just a little bit off. But it's there. See these lines right here? See these lines? Comes down, it kind of curves down to a point and then comes straight back. Same thing. Same thing. So overall, not a bad fit. This line is really nice. Looks really good. Right there. You can see that, oh, this right here. I want to point this out right here. This area here, you can see right in place. Look at that. Nice. curve again. This one's been showing me a lot of stuff since last night. I just kind of noticed this last night, but it's been showing me a lot of things on my other installation that I brought up other overlays that I did, a while ago over this one, and they just proved that I was right, that I had them in the right spot. I'll show you. I'll make another video here shortly. I got to switch over to my other hard drive. But anyways, that's it for today. Well, let's take a look and see what other weather's here before I go here. This one usually shows better weather than the other one, I think. Something right there. Something really neat right there. Well, we know there's one here. It cuts through right here. How's the Atlantic looking today? Yeah. I'll switch over to my other hard drive and get the other ones I got, my latest ones. Look at that one, that's nice too. That's a nice edge. Nice edge, as you can see right there. See that edge? That edge will go like this, more than likely, all the way around. And see the bottom edge. You can see a curve here. This is an impact right there. Probably dead center right there. Nice one, nice center right there too. That's a nice center. I can tell that's a center. Should put something right down right there right now. How about the South Pole? I'll do it on my other drive. I'll just switch over to my other drive. All right. Till then.